Hello, hello, my beloved waking gods and goddesses. Welcome to Love, Truth, and Beauty, episode 208, and our 26th installment of our Love, Truth, and Beauty Quickie Kiss. Keep it simple, sexy, mwah, rant. And I am your hostess of the highest, Marja West, and today we continue on with viewer Q&As post-Christmas. Yes. Viewer question number 8 is a composite query, actually, from several emails I've received from folks really struggling with major physical, medical, mental health issues. We're talking drug, alcohol addiction, Parkinson's. We're talking relief from the 7-19. And how to go about composing one's up-leveled health reality, well-being reality. I will also include myself in this installment because I'm currently dealing with some significant anxiety due to stress hormones and menopausal, yaya gaga zaza, and also some very, very shocking losses of late. Now, based on the emails, I want to commend everyone that you are all doing all the right and necessary things to up-level and restart your lives, doing your counseling, energy work, the great work, stopping addictions cold turkey, detoxing from the effects of drug, alcohol, food, sugar addictions, all the very rough and tumble, challenging bits and pieces of health issues when you're stuck in the matrix. Not to mention the added stress we are all under from the matrix shit shows that continue to endeavor to hijack our attention and focus and get us all to roll over and give up and just say, fuck it, okay? Take me. Okay, now good on you for asking questions, asking for help, and receiving the answers and support, and moving through your own unique process of unpacking all that you've gone through and moving forward. Okay, this is all very traumatic and all very stressful, and this is all a great testament to your ability to engage your superpower of focus and your willingness to do the great work for your benefit and up-leveled lifelines. Now, note, I am not a doctor, nor am I a therapist. So what I offer here is a reality creation possibility. So all of you, take responsibility for yourselves and for your choices or your non-choices. Do your own research and your due diligence. My suggestion as an energy healing facilitator and DeActivator of Trauma, which all of you have and are unwinding and healing through, and do please be open to considering all that I'm offering here, or at least the notion of what I'm offering. It is for you all to start seeing yourselves and intending a new sector of your layer of reality where you are literally new and improved in all aspects of your life, okay, including health, well-being, etc., without focusing on your current reality, which is a done deal, by the way, okay? And you do not focus on your current reality or refer to it in any way as that is an old story and a lower lifeline. Got it? So waking up, exiting the matrix, entering into your awakened attention center and residing in what I call heart, mind, body, soul coordination to compose your higher lifeline realities without getting majorly specific. And in law of attraction, this is called going general. Okay? When you start getting into reality creation. Now, the first part of healing any kind of issue, health, etc., addiction, hormones, whatever, is about clearing the trauma, being aware of whatever contributing factors you might be stuck in or looping around without identifying with it all, without you identifying with it, that is you and you're stuck there, that defines you. Got it? Because part 2 of healing trauma is to learn to not just advocate for yourself, but apply your superpower of focus to compose your new lifelines of your new, currently unrealized sector of reality. Now, doing the great work through journaling and getting clarity around the qualities you'd like to create in your up-leveled life is crucial in intending and creating a new sector of your reality where you picture yourself healthy and happy and enjoying your life in all its aspects, okay? This will help you avoid generating what's called excess potential energies and balancing forces, which tend to serve up the opposite of what you intend to create because you're creating so much importance. I want it, okay? In your new reality, it just creates this energetic bitch slap that will just level it and give you the opposite. So in short, the more you want something, the more you don't get that thing. If you focus in on not having it or wanting it so badly. Now, my reality creation playlist on my channel is an excellent resource for you to delve into the art of reality creation outside the matrix. I will pop it up in the top left-hand corner of your screen at the end of this video. So, in essence, I am suggesting that it is quite possible to quantum jump physical reality and bypass or fast track yourself onto a higher lifeline without the no pain, no gain in the Matrix mantra, okay? Now, when you start doing your research, I want you to look into how long it takes the liver, say, to create a new liver. Because this is all done automatically through divine creation. So check into that, and all things are possible. So in seeing yourself in a detailed image of a currently unrealized reality sector, though, do not include intending any specific people. That is a no-no. You've heard me talk about that again and again. Instead, go general, making sure you see yourself in your end goal frame, thriving in whatever manner thriving is meaningful to you. Now, you can do this visually, you can do this emotionally, mentally, you can do mantras, declarations, affirmations, prayers, you can make collages, whatever it is. Now, we're going to talk more about this. And also, I'm going to introduce the process of switching out your life's various film roles to advance your new reality. Oh, yes, believe it. Okay, my love bugs, that is my quick speech. Mwah!